Hello, my name is Andrew Latinsky, and as you know, and I've voiced before, I am running for board. I also think it's important for candidates to discuss what they hope to achieve once they do get on the board. What are their objectives? What are they hoping to attain? So, specifically for me, I am focused on the treasurer office. I've been working diligently to assemble a finance committee for the upcoming year, and we've been busy pulling together a plan. I want to take a couple minutes and discuss what that plan and the objectives are in the upcoming year. I have three main objectives for the upcoming year. Number one is to establish a high functioning finance committee. Number two is to institutionalize financing approval processes that's consistent with most organizations and how they approve fundings. And number three is to refine the flow of information across the infrastructure, finance, and communication committees, as that is where most of the high ticket expenditures occur. I was very excited to see the interest across Nettles Island in terms of talented individuals wanting to serve on the Finance Committee, and we've been assembling and are almost final in terms of our membership. So, number one, I intend to be a highly active member of the committee, but we will also be joined by former treasurers. We'll be joined by current treasurer, existing members of finance committee, new members to the finance committee. We have varying skill sets. We have a unified objective, and we'll be working as a team. The purpose of the Finance Committee will be to focus on 12 different functional processes. Everything from our uh, own real estate hire to strategic initiatives, financial management, budgeting, bookkeeping, cash flow management, capital expenditure approvals, financial reporting, compliance, audit coordination, investment management, risk management, as well as the communication of financial uh, objectives to the organization and all stakeholders. We will accomplish this process optimization for the 12 key work streams by number one, having a finance committee member or group of members as a work stream leader for each one. We will assess the current state of each process. We'll identify the improvements for each process or the to be state. We'll identify resources, needs, and execute on those improvements. We will institutionalize and document for future use. And finally, we want to tie all these processes together into one treasury playbook, if you would, for future use. Finally, the final objective will be to tie the communication across multiple committees. Number one, taking the infrastructure committee, ensuring that it works in coherence with the finance committee, which ensures it works in conjunction with the communication committee. And the objective and the output of all that would be for the community to understand, what are we working on? What does it cost? How do we pay for it? And what is the impact on dues? And then accurate communication to across the organization to all stakeholders. But first, I need your vote. And please come out, vote electronically, vote in person, but please vote. It's important. It's important for the future of our island. Thank you for listening.